Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, towering up to 200 feet high, stands the majestic Brazil nut tree. For thousands of years, these trees have been silently producing one of nature's most nutritious treasures, the Brazil nut. Imagine a towering giant in the Amazon rainforest, stretching up to 160 feet high. This is the Brazil nut tree, home to one of nature's most fascinating stories. Our tale begins with a coconut-sized pod crashing down from the canopy. Inside this armored shell lie 8 to 24 Brazil nuts, each protected by a hard, triangular shell. Here's a fun fact: Brazil nuts are actually seeds, not nuts. But here's the twist: these nuts are far too tough for any animal to crack open. Enter our unlikely hero, the agouti, a rabbit-sized rodent with powerful teeth. The agouti gnaws through the outer pod and enjoys a few nuts. But being a natural hoarder, it buries the rest for later. This scatter hoarding is crucial for the tree's survival. Here's where it gets interesting. The agouti, bless its heart, has a terrible memory. It forgets where it buried many of the nuts. These forgotten seeds germinate, growing into new Brazil nut trees. In nature, even forgetfulness can be a superpower. Without the agouti, Brazil nut trees wouldn't reproduce. Who knew that poor memory could be the key to an entire ecosystem's survival? This symbiotic relationship has existed for millennia. Without the trees, agoutis would lose a vital food source. Grows a treasure of nature in the forest's deep glow. It's the Brazil nut tree, tall and grand, with secrets of the jungle held in its hand. Brazil nuts come from the Bertholletia excelsa tree, native to the Amazon rainforest, primarily found in Brazil, Bolivia, and Peru. But here's a twist: despite their name, the largest exporter of Brazil nuts isn't Brazil at all, but Bolivia. Talk about an identity crisis. Beneath its branches, wide and free, lie the gifts of earth, for you and me. In sturdy shells, like a warrior's shield, nuts of gold, the forests yield. For centuries, indigenous tribes have relied on Brazil nuts as a crucial part of their diet and culture. These nuts have been harvested sustainably from the wild, a practice that continues to this day. Fast forward to 1569, when Spanish explorer Juan Álvarez Maldonado stumbled upon these nuts while navigating the Madre de Dios River in Peru. Desperate to feed his starving troops, he ordered thousands to be gathered. Little did he know, this discovery would eventually lead to a global culinary sensation. Harvesting. Brazil nuts are primarily wild harvested rather than cultivated, which is unusual for a commercially available nut. They come from coconut-sized pods that fall from the trees at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. Gathered by hands both gentle and wise, they come from the earth, under tropical skies. Cracked open to reveal, with a soft, sweet sound, the creamy delights within, so grand. Now, let's crack open these nuts and explore their incredible health benefits. Rich in selenium, Brazil nuts are one of the best sources of selenium, a mineral with antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect cells from damage, supports thyroid function. Selenium plays a crucial role in the production of thyroid hormones, which is vital for metabolism and overall health. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide more than the daily recommended intake of selenium. Heart health. These nuts contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. They also have antioxidants like vitamin E, which help protect the heart. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and healthy fats in Brazil nuts can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions related to inflammation. Rich in other nutrients. Brazil nuts are also a good source of magnesium, copper, zinc, and vitamin B1, thiamine, all of which are important for various bodily functions including energy production and immune support. Improved mood and cognitive function. Some studies suggest that selenium can have a positive effect on mood and cognitive function, potentially helping to reduce symptoms of depression and enhance cognitive performance. It's important to consume Brazil nuts in moderation due to their high selenium content. Excessive selenium intake can lead to toxicity, so sticking to a small amount. But their true superpower lies in their selenium content. Just one Brazil nut contains your entire daily requirement of this essential mineral. Brazil nuts are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. It's like nature's multivitamin in a nutshell. A handful a week is all you need to reap the benefits. When you savor this nut, pure and true, remember the forest that it once knew. With every bite, let your mind drift away to the Amazon's wonders, where the Brazil nut will stay. Recipe: Brazil nut and quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 1/2 cup Brazil nuts, chopped, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 cucumber, diced, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, optional, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: Cook quinoa. Rinse the quinoa under cold water using a fine mesh sieve. In a medium saucepan, combine the rinsed quinoa with water or vegetable broth. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed and the quinoa is fluffy. Remove from heat and let it cool. Prepare salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, chopped Brazil nuts, diced red bell pepper, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, parsley, and cilantro, if using. Make dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Combine and toss. Pour the dressing over the quinoa salad and gently toss until everything is well coated. Serve. Serve the salad immediately, or refrigerate for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld before serving. Enjoy. Rich in flavor, a taste divine, from the heart of the jungle, to your table, they shine. A snack so humble, yet full of grace, from the Amazon's heart, they find their place. A funny dialogue between Brazil nut and pistachio, they are arguing who is the better nut. Brazil nut: well, if it isn't my little green friend. Still trying to crack your way into the big leagues. Pistachio: oh, please. I'm already there, you overgrown acorn. At least people can open me without a hammer. Brazil nut: ha. I'm a delicacy, my friend. People savor me slowly. You're just a salty snack that ends up all over people's shirts. Pistachio: salty snack? I'll have you know I'm a gourmet ingredient. Ever heard of pistachio ice cream? Pistachio crusted salmon? Brazil nut: big deal. I'm packed with selenium. I'm basically a health supplement masquerading as a nut. Pistachio: oh, playing the health card, are we? I've got protein, fiber, and antioxidants. I'm practically a superfood. Brazil nut: Superfood? More like super annoying. At least I don't require people to pry me open with their fingernails. Pistachio. That's called interactive eating, you smooth-brained boulder. People love the challenge. Brazil nut challenge? Is that what you call it when half of you are sealed shut tighter than a clam? Pistachio. Better than being so huge Amazonian nut that people can only eat one of you at a time. I'm the life of the party. Brazil nut party? Ha, I'm from the Amazon. I've seen things you wouldn't believe. You, garden variety legume. Pistachio. Who are you calling garden variety? I've been cultivated for thousands of years. You're just a jungle dropout. Brazil nut dropout? I'll have you know I'm the king of nuts. They named a whole country after me. Stay happy and nutty healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. And what is your favorite nut? Please write in the comment section. Nurtured by rain, and kissed by the sun, their journey to you has just begun. A symbol of nature's wondrous art, the Brazil nut holds a special part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.